Sony is gearing up for 2026 with the Xperia 10.8. Rumors are swirling, leaks are dropping, and today we're breaking down what to expect from Sony's next mid-range star. Sony's signature 21.9 cinematic OLED display is expected to return, perfect for movies, multitasking, and creators. We're hearing it might get a brightness boost, making it even better for outdoor use. Slim, lightweight, and minimalist, the Xperia 10.8 could be one of the most comfortable phones to hold in 2026. It's all about that classic, sleek Sony design language that just feels premium. Leaks suggest a Snapdragon 6th Gen series chip paired with 8GB RAM. Now that's not flagship level, but it should be more than smooth enough for everyday use, casual gaming, and fast 5G connectivity. One thing Sony always gets right is the software experience. They usually keep it clean and close to stock Android, so performance feels snappy even months after you buy it. No unnecessary bloatware, just a fast and responsive interface. When it comes to cameras, Sony is all about realism. Expect a 50-megapixel main sensor with AI enhancements to improve your shots behind the scenes. We're also anticipating their signature natural color science and reliable video stabilization. It's less about applying heavy filters and more about capturing life exactly as it looks. So if you want true-to-life photos and steady video, this could be the camera for you. Now for battery life, rumors point to a 5,000 mAh battery, a classic for Sony, which is known for its endurance. This phone should easily last you a full day and probably more. Add in their smart charging technology to protect the battery's health over time and the expected IP rating for water and dust resistance, and you've got a phone that survives real life, not just spec sheets. And here's something for the audio lovers. Yes, the headphone jack might still be here. That's a huge win in 2026. Combine that with support for high-res audio and Sony's legendary sound tuning, and the Xperia 10.8 could be a music lover's dream, whether you're using wired headphones or wireless earbuds. So, when can we expect it? Leaks suggest the Xperia 10.8 will launch alongside the flagship Xperia 1.8 sometime in early 2026. Pricing is expected to stay in that competitive mid-range space, making it a solid option for creators and students who want premium features without paying a flagship price. If you want cinematic viewing, reliable battery, and practical cameras at a fair price, the Xperia 10.8 should definitely be on your radar. It might just be the most balanced mid-range phone of 2026. Make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.